Hi, I'm Leah and welcome to the Not Only Carrots cooking show. Today we have another bonus recipe that's not in the cookbook, but it is really yummy and is totally worth cooking. To start off with, we'll make some avocado, but it is an optional ingredient. We'll take 2 large avocados. I can't believe my luck today. I found 2 ripe avocados in the shop. Never happens, so exciting. Anyway, then they're actually both really nice inside, so ta-da! All right, so we're gonna mix them together with 1 tablespoon of savory yeast flakes. In America, that's nutritional yeast. And we've got a half a teaspoon of garlic powder and a half teaspoon of salt. All right, let's get going. Oh, I'll do you a little trick while I'm here. All right, I used to work at restaurants a long, long time ago. And to get your avocado seed out, you just whack it and twist it. Ta-da, pretty cool. So anyway, trick to get your avocado seed out. Scoop out the flesh of the avocado. Along with half of the skin. Don't eat the skin. I'm sure it's full of fibre, but you don't have to eat it. All right, scoop it in there. Scoop the last bit in. These are lovely and soft. That's what you want. Make sure when you eat your avocados, you eat them soft because they're very buttery and yummy. And avocados also have natural whole food fat, which is a positive thing, as opposed to having to add any extra fat to the meal. All right, I am going to get a bigger bowl because I really underestimated the size of my avocados, and we'll be right back. Big bowl to the rescue. So we'll tip that all in there. Now what we're going to do is just mash it together. It's really easy. All right, so let's get going with our haystacks. We grab a handful of corn chips. Add as many as you want to add and spread them out along the bottom, and that's your base. We will then get your Mexi beans, salsa beans, a couple of scoops of those, or 4. Pretty much just want to cover the bottom. Just keep in mind that beans are full of protein, so they will fill you up a lot. We're going to add some lettuce. I have iceberg lettuce. I know that the romaine lettuces and the purple lettuces are better for you. I find them really, really bitter, and I'm going to make it my mission to try and find ways to use it, and it tastes really good. But for now, iceberg lettuce in this scenario works really nicely for me. I'm going to use carrot, a handful of carrot over the top. Then we have some diced cucumber. Once again, handful of that, sprinkle it around, aim for the plate. And diced tomato. These are just some truss tomatoes. Okay, now we're going to load the top of it with our different sauces. And of course, these are all optional. It just depends on your own flavor preferences. What we start with? All right, let's start over here with bio cheese. Bio cheese is a vegan cheese. It's coconut oil based. It smells disgusting, just like cheese. It is so good. So what we do is we just grate that, and you can even buy it grated as well, and sprinkle a little handful over the top. More if you want. And yeah, that's a perfect vegan substitute for cheese. So keep an eye out in the stores. I know that there are soy-based cheeses and there are also cashew-based cheeses. The cashew-based ones tend to be quite heavy, so have a try, find one that you like, but this one's great because it also melts as well. Now we can add a bit of the guacamole to this side. And some homemade salsa. I did do a cooking show for this, so keep an eye out. There's another bonus one. I like to sprinkle that around a fair bit, like that. And we have another special thing to go on top. This is veganese, and it's vegan mayonnaise. I have a soy mayonnaise in the cookbook that is actually another vegan version of something like this. So keep an eye out for that in the book. I'll grab another spoon. But this one's just an easy one that you can grab from the store if you don't have time to make it yourself. And just another dollop of that on the side. To top it off, I like to put some more savory yeast over the top. This is the nutritional yeast if you're in America. Over the top, and I also like a sprinkle of salt. And voila. So there you have it. I'm a little messy. Don't look at the outside. This is a haystack. I hope that you really enjoy this recipe and that you'll like it and share it with your friends. Make sure you subscribe to the Not Only Carrots channel, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye.